Hey folks, Canal here, Bulls on Wall Street. A little bit of a flat day in the markets here. You can kind of see we're just kind of stabilizing from yesterday's lows. And after the morning flush, it does look like the market is starting to rebound up here. But overall, it's been pretty healthy action. We're on now number one, two, three, four, five, day five of the pullback, and so it's been a healthy, low volume type pullback. We're starting to really work off that kind of overbought signal, overbought condition. We've had a good day in the chat room, up by about 5 grand. Most of the money's been made on SPH and SUNY. So both of these were PR plays that just straight up, tanked straight up tanked from the open. And so these are kind of my bread and butter plays. SUNY is an SPHS. This stock SPHS. You can see what happened here was, it gapped up like 300, 400%. And a lot of times we do play these long, but it's all based on the price action here. And what you'll see here is after the gap up, when it couldn't hold any of its bounces, as soon as it kind of broke down this level, essentially I started taking this thing down for a short. And we had a nice flush in it, and then my midday setup, and this is what we call a VWAP stuff, which is once the stock starts to round and it runs into the VWAP area, if a confluence of some factors hold play, we'll take a potential position here, and I got it actually right on the dot at like 270. And covered most of my shares down here in the 230s, and so we had a couple really nice plays in it. As of the moment now, I'm just we're playing a little bit of oil over here. I'm long some OAS, and I'm short some SUNY still. OAS is a nice stock that after this big run, it's had a couple days pullback over here. You can see we're starting to round and do a 1, 2, 3 pattern intraday, and so I've got a couple thousand shares here, the 1250 range or whatever. We'll see if we can make a run. My first sell would be probably 1275, and then we'll see if we can make a run on it. We've had some nice trades in BCI and stuff like that today too, but overall just a pretty solid day. But I really kind of pay attention to this fade. This type of fade on these small price stocks is really my bread and butter. And a couple things you need to do a trade like this, is, well, number one, you got to have the right broker so you can get the shares of this, and so you can actually short them. And then it's just about pattern recognition of understanding that this is what we call an ORB, which is an opening range breakdown. That's our bread and butter type of play. It's a fairly low risk play, even though the stock's up a lot. We're just using these couple levels here to shake this thing down. But that's it for now, guys. This is the stuff that I teach in our boot camp, our trading boot camp. It's a 60-day course designed to take people from A to Z on everything that I know about trading. We literally have a month of live classes. It's not some DVD or a bunch of videos that you're going to watch. It's live interactive classes where you're going to be able to ask questions and interact with the other students and also your instructors. And then from there, in a very university style setting, we start watching our traders. We put them on trading simulators and help them make business plans and really start to fine tune their skills. And all the while, and this is the best part, they're actually watching me trade. So like, you see me like clicking these buttons throughout the day, and you'll see like, hey, I'm buying or selling or whatever. And, like you'll see it. Like, that's what I'll be doing during the day. And I think that's really important is, hey, this guy's trading and he's teaching us all this stuff from the book, but is he actually able to go out and do this? And so what we do after the market closes is, even though they're watching me on screen share and I'm talking them through what I do, we sit there and we actually talk about what all the trades were and what all the setups were. Like, why did we short this year? Why did I take this short at 270? What was the reason? What were the parameters behind it? All that fun stuff. And from there, we reverse engineer the good, the bad, the ugly. And guys, I lose a lot of days too, and we talk about that. Like, what did I do wrong here? What did I do right? Like right now, I'm trading this OAS or whatever, and I'm down on it now, right? I was up a good amount, and now I'm down on it. So what happened? Like, say I end up getting stopped out. and I take my loss, then what happened, right? What happened? Why did this stock go down? Why did we misanalyze it? I think that's really important when you're trading, is to reverse engineer your trades and talk about them so that you can figure out what you did right and what you did wrong. So that's it for now, guys, folks. Let me know if you have any questions. You can email me at Kunal, Kunal, at bullsonwallstreet.com. And I look forward to hearing from you guys. Anytime you need something, you let me know. As long as I'm not in class, I'll make sure to pick up and help you guys out. So that's it for now, folks. Hey, trade well today, and I will see you guys all soon.